Today we have a packaging from Tata Click and we are going to unbox this. It is Realme Bud wireless Bluetooth headset. I really like the packaging of Tata Click. It is good to see these red and white squares. Comment what you think on the same. Hi guys, this is Suraj. Welcome to my channel. Let's open the packaging and see what's inside. We have opened the packaging and the box is wrapped on air bubble sheet for an extra layer of protection. Let's remove it as well. Here is the box of Realme Bud Wireless. This is the top side and it is pretty clean. There is a picture of the headset. This one is a black and yellow color. There are two more color options available, that is green and orange. Just below the image, written its name and the catchy word, Real Bass Unwired. This is the left side and the back side. Here also a picture of headset. We can see the button and earbuds more clearly on this picture. Moreover, there are some badging. Let's look each one. The first one is magnetic control. Other than keep the buds joined, magnet on this can turn on and turn off the neckband. 11.2 mm bass booster driver. It is one of the largest driver, so you would get better audio quality. Then 12-hour playback. The next one is flexible neck and this one has Bluetooth 5.0 and this one is set proof, that is IPX4. Here is the description. The model number is RMA 108. Color yellow. Though the color is mentioned as yellow color is only for the cord connected to the neckband and the earbud. Rest all are in black, just as we saw in the picture. Its MRP is 19,999 rupees. Right side also has Realme badging and all the other side in necklines. First impression about the box, it's pretty simple and pleasant. Let's open the packaging. I have cut the sticker and there is one more on the other side as well. Let's cut that too. There is it. We have opened the box and here it is the Realme wireless buds. It's really impressive. It's feel like they have hidden the documentation somewhere inside the box. Let's find it after taking the headset. Be gentle when you're taking the headset out from the mold. It is holding it very strongly. Do not apply too much force. The headset feels solid and strong. It won't break easily. but I fear I break it with excitement. Finally, I have taken the headset outside. Magnetic buds attracted already. It has a strong attraction. Don't separate on simple twist or turn. Now we can again start our search for the documentation. Ah, alas, we found the treasure box. It's hidden under this yellow box. Let's check once more. Is there anything beneath this cover?
വരത്തില്ല.
Okay, nothing. I have taken that outside. Keep it aside and open the small white box and see what all inside. First, extra earbuds of different size. Next, small micro USB cable for charging. This is almost 10 cm in length. Then, documentation, and that's all. And here finally we have unboxed the Realme wireless bud. This is all about the box. Let's have a look into the documentation. First, what's inside the box? We have already seen that. Realme Bud Wireless, 6 ear tip, 4 on the small packet and 2 installed on the neckband. Ear support. This is that. This will hold the buds on ear when you are jogging or working out at gym. Micro USB cable. And the one which we are looking, the user guide and warranty. This comes with 6 months warranty. Next you can see the specification. It's also there. We have already seen that one. Its model number is RMA 108 Bluetooth version, that is Bluetooth 5.0, and we have the Bluetooth protocols here. And its connection range is mentioned here, that is 10 meter, and the battery size, that is 110 milliampere battery. And the battery life, it's 12 hours as we see in the packaging, and there is a disclaimer. It's at 50% volume and that may also vary on the conditions. And water resistance level, it is IPX4. It is resistant to water splash from any direction. IPX4 is generally for heavy rain, sweat and occasional accidental splash. You cannot shower this or submerge this into water. Next is about the ear tip. As we discussed earlier, this comes with extra ear tips, and the medium one is installed on the neckband. If it not suits you, use a smaller or larger one instead. Then turning off and on. This one automatically turn on when you separate the earbuds. Then turn off when you join the earbuds. Also, it will turn off automatically after 5 minutes if no connection found, which saves battery a lot. Then next about the charging. The indicator light turn red on charging and turn blue while it's full charge. Microphone is also located on the metal tip on the neckband. Then next about the controls. We have this volume up and down button and there is an R button. There are many functions with this button. Let's see each one. One single click play and pause music. Also, you can answer the call as well. Double click, it will play the next song. Triple click, play the previous song. Long press, that is pressing for 1 second, reject or end call. And if you are not on call, this long press, that is pressing for 1 second, activate the voice assistant. Then we can talk about the Bluetooth pairing. Headphone will automatically connect to the last paired device. If there is no connection history, it will wait for a device to get paired. While headphone is on pairing mode, you can turn on your Bluetooth, search for this device and connect. You can also see the battery life on phone next to the device name. You can clear the connection history by long pressing R button for 5 seconds. This is the closer look of this device. On the right hand side, there is a micro USB port available for charging. This is the only port available in this device. I have been using this Realme neckband for past 1 month, and this is my view on this device. So first we can talk about the build quality. Surely we can say that this device is built to last long. All the material used in this one are premium. So the structure used is a memory metal made of nickel and titanium alloy. So this is flexible, and though this is a memory metal, if you flex this will come back to the previous position. You can see that I am flexing this and this is coming back to the previous position. And also this one is super light. The total weight of this device is just 30 gram. So if you wear this after some time, you will forget about you are wearing this neckband. Then this part, the top part, it's used the skin friendly silica. So this is soft to touch and this gives you an ultimate comfort. And these two parts, these are the metal tips, and this is also the battery compartment. So this gives a nice weight and keep the shape when you wear this neckband. And also there are 3 buttons, and these are tactile buttons, and these have a good feel when you click on this one. Basically this neckband is available in 3 colors. The first one is this one, black and yellow, and the next one is green and orange. Personally I don't like this black strip. Personally I don't like this yellow strip. It would have been better if the complete neckband comes in black color. And also there is a small groove on this strip, so it may so the dust may stick on this one. Apart from this, I like all the build quality of this device, and this is very nice to wear. Next, about the sound quality. Across all range, that is high, mid and low, this deliver good audio quality. As they said, the bass is boosted. Personally I like to listen music with boosted bass. So Realme deliver what I really need. This one uses an 11.2 mm driver, which is largest across all this range. And also this helps to deliver dynamic and powerful bass. I don't have any complaint about the audio quality. That is really awesome. Next we can talk about the connectivity. This one uses Bluetooth 5. Bluetooth 5 is really energy efficient, and you will get the advantage in battery life. Realme claims 10-meter range for this device, but I tested this one in home scenario. It like I kept phone in this room and moved to the other room, and there everything was okay, the audio was clear. But when I moved further, the audio begins to break, because I think when we move further to other rooms, it need to penetrate these walls as well. There the audio is getting break. So in a home scenario we will get a range about 6 to 7 meter. And also this is the case with the calls. Next, one of the highlighted feature, and this is super cool, that is how fast this can connect to the phone. So this is really fast when you separate these buds, and within the time you place this on your ears, it will get paired with your phone. This one is super awesome. And when I tested this one, I heard some music, I watched some videos, there is no lag. But when I read some review about this device, some of the gamers were complaining that they were getting lag when they're playing PUBG. So if you're looking this device for playing some games, please note it down. Apart from this, the connectivity, there is no issue with the connectivity. Last but not the least, it's battery life. This one has a 110 milliampere battery, and Realme claims almost 12 hours of battery life for this device, but it's not practical to listen something for 12 hours. So in my scenario, it's an average usage. I listen some music, I watched some videos and took some calls, and the battery lasted for 3 days. After 3 days there are 40% charge left in this device. That is really super cool. uh, and also there is another one more feature that Realme claims. It's like if you charge this device for 10 minutes, you can listen for 100 minutes. That's also super cool. By this, we are winding up the unboxing and the first look of Realme wireless buds. Thank you.